Hi, I'm Sarah with Members First. Today, we want to talk to you about how easy it is to pay for groceries, gas, and everything else you need right through your mobile app without even bringing your wallet into the store. With your Members First Visa card, we offer a globally accepted feature with built-in technology to provide you with the enhanced security you need. Today, we can walk you through how to set up your Members First cards for Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Based on your personal device, the setup process may be slightly different. For all three, you will first want to select the mobile wallet app and launch that on your smartphone. From here, you will want to click the plus sign for Apple and Samsung. For Google Pay, you can either select one of the cards you already have set up or add another card. Next, you will have the option to either enter the card information manually or take a photo of the card. This should work for all three apps. Don't forget to review and agree to terms and conditions for your safety and awareness, and then you're all set. Use your mobile app at any location where you see the contactless payment symbol. Just hold your device about an inch away from the payment terminal and authenticate the purchase. Still have questions? Through the Members First mobile app and online banking, we can assist you with your banking needs anytime from anywhere. If you have any questions about this process, you can reach out to our customer service team through our chat functionality right in the app, and we would be happy to help you. Try it today, and thank you for choosing Members First.